One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Hey, hey, how are you guys? One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Okay, sound is here, but it's not that sound what we need. Guys, now give me a minute. I'm trying to set it up the sound. Why didn't it work? Oh, now should work. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sound is here, but it's not that sound what we need. Guys, now give me a minute. I'm trying to set it up the sound. Look what I have, guys. My anti-stress like a trader. I do like this. One hand, and other hand I do trades here. Oh, now should work. Okay, yes, all the fine. You can hear me, guys. I'm in Dubai. Yeah, I am now in Dubai, guys. Yeah, sounds like that. So, guys, for the first, I need to give you important information about the market and what happened now there. We will see the charts. We will see and watch what happened in gold, silver, euro, Bitcoin, and everything. You mean Alex? Alex, no, Alex not with me, guys. I'm in Dubai, but Alex no. Let's talk. Let's talk. I guess people will join us step by step, and we'll start. Yeah. Okay, it's already some people watch this story, and soon they will join us. So, guys, I have an important information for you today. Talking about the market for the first. I will start to talk about that all the things, and after that, oh no, not there. And after that, we will just talk with you also about about everything, Yeah. Just I need here my boom. Yeah. So guys, till you join here, I will start to give you the important information about the markets now, what's happening and how it's going by the way now. So for the first in Dubai is still nice weather. The season still is in the high season. Yeah, but people, almost nobody on the street. Almost nobody is there. Yeah, streets are empty. Streets is empty. So in one case that's nice because almost nobody are here, and no traffic jam, nothing. It's so cool when you can just, oh shit, what they did here. It's really nice because usually there's so much traffic and so much things, but now it's much more comfortable. Yeah. But if we will talk about the basic situation, yes, sometimes the sound is quite high. The sound which is giving bah, 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 something like that. And it's quite high. Yeah, really. So basically everything is fine. I'm not too scary about all the situation and all this situation, yeah. I'm thinking that soon the situation should be finalized. And I believe in this country. I believe that this country should fix everything really fast. We will see for sure. We will see, but basically, I'm thinking that everything should be quite fast. Maybe months, maybe 2, but they have to finalize that all that things. So okay. Let's go back to our topic today. Our topic today is what happening in economy of US and how we can earn on that. What will be happening that year? What the shocks and the situations we have to wait in this year. And this is really important information. Many people just can see this and can't even imagine what happening exactly inside the economic. Yeah, and that will be really important and really useful for many of them. So for the first and the most important thing, that's already I can see it's recession is already in the room. It's already in the room. I mean like in the worldwide room, and we already can feel it. Yeah, because if we will look on the GDP, yeah, the gross domestic product of US, it's usually the trade should be quite high. Yeah, for example, it was a 4% a quarter ago, but now the latest update, the previous one, was 1.4, which is almost 3 times less than 4% of GDP. And the latest update, which it was in Friday, I guess, it was 0.7. So 0.7, guys, it's almost 8 times less from 4%. That means that economy of US it's come slowly and more slowly. But what it means for us? That means for us that the situation in the economy of US is really hard, but they not show it to us now. Yeah, everybody know it in the parliament and in the government, but they not inform us about that. And we have to know this. We have to know that what happening there, what the situation is there. Yeah, to do some actions, to earn money on the markets, to understand how it works. Like, yeah. By the way, we can see that the gold returned. Where is my Prime? Yeah, Prime here. The gold returned to this channel. We will back to the chart soon, and we will draw some things. So the economy comes slowly. What does it mean? Basically, it's what we're waiting for, because basically it have to be like that, because Trump understands that now they have a huge debt. The US has a huge debt. They has a more than $37 trillion debt. And what it means for us? It means that they need to do something to save them economy. First, my plan and idea was that they will try to save them economy by Bitcoins, which they confiscate from the different relations from all the US, and then they will like take that Bitcoins, sell it with a high price, and said, okay, we close our debt, maybe partly, but we did it, and something like that. But now they stopped that idea. But anyway, crypto infrastructure inside the US is growing every day. The banks can now do different payments of commissions in USDT and in crypto. They start to use blockchain, and they definitely already build all the infrastructure for the crypto inside the economy of US. And this is really important, because that show us that the crypto market is very early to say that it's dead. Yeah, it just looks like that. It's okay. Yeah, it's always happened like that with crypto, but just need time. That's why now we are focused on the forex market, and basically forex is more stable and more understandable market for the trading every day, for everyday trading. That's why I'm focused on that. So, and if we will back to the all these things, we will see also that the inflation in US it is still around 2.8%. Yeah, and we know that the target of Federal Reserve is 2%, and the inflation is still didn't oh shit the inflation still didn't on the target, so it's still up over the target. Yeah, and they need decrease 40% of inflation from 2.8 to 2%, and in that case that will be already fine for them, and they can start do some actions for stimulate economy. Yeah, but when we see that inflation is high, the GDP is low, it all says that recession is somewhere near. Yeah, also additional pressure here is coming from the Trump's tariffs and all this his actions, and it's basically easy to understand. It's like that, sure. Yeah, but what it means for us? It means for us that in economy and in the world the situation now that Trump need to stimulate economy. Why he need to do this? It's quite easy, guys, because Trump is president now, and if he want to be president all his time, this time, and continue to be president, that means that on the next November, I mean this November in 2026, there will be next elections, and if you want to be a president, so people should come and give his votes to the Trump again, and choose him again in his team and something like that. So, and we can understand that for that he need to make the effect of rich in the world to that time, and it's really important for him, and that's why I'm thinking how it will happen now, because of the situation in the Middle East. It's just of the part of situation of the big crisis which will come, but it's like crisis which is built by hands of the big guys on that market, and they need to do this crisis for make recession shock, for make a dumps on all markets. I already talked about that in my last video a bit, and he need to do all this stuff for make this shock, to cool down all the markets a little bit, and after that save it. When he will save it, he will be a hero. Everything will be fine. People will feel that they're rich, that the President Trump save us and save everybody, and they will happy. This is his goal. This is what he want to do. But how he can do this? For first, he need to make a shock. That's why we see all what is happening now, and we can see all what is what is happening on the markets. Something like that we already could see in March 2020. There was the same situation, guys. There was a recession shock, then a strong correction on the market, and after that we saw a huge bull run. Because Trump need to make a condition to attract in all that situation Federal Reserve, and to stimulate them, start make a monetary stimulus, to print money printing, and for start do this, he need to do the shock first, and to show them that no any other way to save the country and the economy, only start monetary stimulus. Guys, I can remind you that you can write your questions and we will talk just about everything. So please just write your questions if you want to talk. And for the first, why the S&P 500 is still so high? Let's open S&P 500. Let's see. Okay, start from here. Why S&P 500 it's still so high? I can tell you, because of AI companies and technology companies. Because the AI, all this racing, it's like still keeping the S&P 500 high. But see, this is the targets, my targets, where I'm waiting the correction of S&P 500. I already showed it a few times. So I show from here. This is first target, second target. Oh shit, something like that. This is the plan for the next few weeks, and I'm thinking that we will see that maybe even much sooner, because it will happen like that. Why? You can ask me why. Because now the situation is not stable. If in April will happen this recession shock, what I'm talking about, we will see that everything is hard. The economy is hard. The stock market of US is on a correction, and all these situations have happened. And what will do Trump in that case? In May, he will set it up, and he will put his candidate on a chairman of Federal Reserve, because the our favorite guy, how his name? Just forget his name. Powell, Jerome Powell. He's time will end in May. I mean working time. So and he has to leave his position, and there has to come somebody else. And I guess that Trump will set up there his candidate, and this candidate will more polite to all the markets, and he will more loyalty look on this monetary stimulus and something like that. And after that, when he will do this, we will see like this again. He will save the market, and for us that's good when we understand it. For us that's good when we understand it. Trump has a plan. first make a shock, make a trouble, then solve this trouble, save the economy, save the markets. People will feel a rich effect, they will happy, and in November they will again choose him to be them president. Yeah, this is the plan. Just keep it in mind, guys. That's what you should understand. That's why for the first now, you have to work from the short positions, because of the market will be in a correction sooner time. And also you should understand that maybe firstly it will happen like that. I already showed this. Yeah, you can try to think what is this. I'll make it beautiful now one more time. I will do this beautifully. What you can see exactly on correction. What you can see exactly on the chart, yeah, something like that. This, then bam, 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 bam. What this? This is a short squeeze. Short squeeze, it means that they can just grab all the liquidity here, they can just grab all the liquidity here, and after that go to the correction. And exactly like this will happen on all the markets, not only on the Bitcoin or somewhere else, on all the markets. It's like a manipulation, yeah. And see, there's also zone of sell, from where I highly recommended you to sell from this zone. Yeah, you can do this, guys. And yeah, I guess it will be something like that. So they will one more time do manipulation and just grab all liquidity, and they do correction and they save the market. It's what I'm thinking will happen in the market in the nearest time. Also, I want to explain you guys that it's already happened. It's already happened, and now we can see that some indicators which almost nobody looking on. For example, oil. If we will see on oil, if we will see on oil, we will see that it's now give a huge growth, more than 50% in the last few weeks. And what it means for us, always after the oil performed like that, we see the correction on the oil markets, and we see the effect on the economy. It was in 1933, it was in 1939, it was in 1990, it was in 2008. It was all in all this time, guys. Hello for everybody who joined us. That means that for sure oil will shoot to go to these levels, and from that levels I'm ready to take long. Yeah, I'm ready to take long from here. Yeah, I see something like that. It depends on the situation on the Middle East for sure, but basically it has to be like that. And already that will give the effect on all the markets and the economy. Yeah, and always after that is come recession shock. Yeah, because you can ask me why. Because when oil price go higher, guys, from $75 to $105, for the first, that everything will cost more expensive. The rent, the products, the grocery, the petrol, everything. And people are not earning more. Yeah, people salary is still same. So people will spend less. If people will spend less, economy will come more and more slowly again. The recession will come immediately. That's why I'm talking that it's already in the room, guys. That's why. What we can do here? Yeah, you can ask me what we can do in that case. We can just understand it and use the exactly important zones to buy, to open the right positions, to understand from which levels we need to work in a long, and how we need to trade now short to be successful, to be profitable. That's the main thing, guys. And explaining you the usual things just to show how it works like, and to give you the understanding of the market. That's my mission for now. Yeah. And look, I want to explain you that's also why we can see that situation like this. Yeah, why we can see now it's not showing. Waiting, guys. Why I'm waiting for situation like this. Why I'm waiting for exactly this situation, I mean with this short squeeze. Because already now many of the investors funds, they put short here. they're already in a short. They take lots of shorts on all the market. Just imagine that it's all the market, yeah. And when they will see the growth, they will start close them position. That will be fuel to push price more and more. And after that, anyway, it will go to the fair price and to the correction. Yeah, that's why we will see this. That's why we will see this short squeeze, in my opinion. Yeah. So that's what you should understand, guys. That's why now I prefer work from the short. By the way, I took the short on Bitcoin. You can see this in my channel. Yeah, because we also come to this zone 75. Next zone it's 77.80, from where I'm ready to take the short. So, and the main things that we have to understand now that just a plan, guys. That's just a plan, and that's absolutely okay on that market. Also, if we will see on a S&P 500, it's already without any correction more than 300 days. More than 300 days that growing with no correction. See, 343 days it's no corrected at all. See, just growth, and only now we can see some break of structure. Yeah, it's only start now, and for sure that will be like this for sure. Yeah, that's why, guys, just work from short now, because trend is my friend. Yeah, that's the main things what you should understand now. And if we will watch on the DXY, yeah, DXY here I did also some points. See, by the way, how it's coming now. Good. It's come from this channel up, and DXY will be growing because of US. Everybody talking about US, and all the situation in the Middle East makes dollar only stronger, so euro weaker. So all is easy if we trade now euro. Again, it will be more short position. By the way, let's watch on the chart of euro and to understand what happening there. See, this exactly already for you prepared the set it up how you can take it up from euro. Yeah, and exactly I explain you guys, it's now we're in a range. In a range we have a buy side and a sell side liquidity. From sell side we are sell, from buy side we are buy, because that in the range. See, from here I need to buy, from here I need to sell, and it's working. Again, sell, now come here, buy. Always easy, guys. Yeah, if we do deviation like here, I'm waiting now for deviation of this part. Yeah, then go up. So that's why from here 1.12, 1.10 I will take a long position in, and I'll show you how it looks like, something like that, with risk reward 3.5, 3.7. it's a good risk reward. So guys, that how it will looks like. Let's also watch on the GBP. By the way, on the fund, yeah, see, guys, exactly what I drawn here. We exactly did it. Look how we cover this imbalance clearly. Beautiful imbalance, fulfilled, and back exactly in imbalance. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful. What I can say. By the way, what happened there? Nothing interesting still. So guys, this is the main things what you have to understand now. Everything now almost in the ranges. So from there now we can wait for one more deviation on a pound, yeah, deviation, and after that you can take the long position. Yeah, it's already the drawing already work. So now we just need to wait for deviation. It will go here, and from here to take a long position. Long. Did the plan. This is the plan. I will leave it again like that to watch later. So this is the main thing, guys. And remind again, let's say completely will repeat the plan. For example, scenario 1, in April we see the recession shock, the situation worse more and more. Then we see the short squeeze, correction, blood on the market. Then Trump in the May will set the new chairman, and new chairman will start monetary stimulus, print the money, and we will see after May markets going high and high upper. They need to work from long. That's why everybody feel rich, everything is fine till November. Who is will be in the right position until November can do a life change money. Many opportunities will be there, and after that again correction. So something like that. This is my game plan for the this time. That's what I wanted to talk you today, guys, and to explain you, to show you. Yeah, also I'm reminding you about the positions on some on some assets, yeah, which you can take. For example, the XMR, Monero, you can take like that on the crypto market. Yeah, I already showed the position on the euro, on the pound. This is the XMR. Also, by the way, what happened there on the link? Not yet go to back. Yeah, here, from here, link Aave. Aave is amazing protocol, by the way. Waiting for something like that. So also to be ready for that levels, watch into these levels will give you opportunity to take a nice price for this asset. So guys, that is the main things what I wanted to show you today on the market. Also, if we will talk about the Bitcoin and Ethereum, there is nothing special. Yeah, I will remind you that we take an amazing trade from here, from buy one long. We took the here one long, second long, and from here short. 3 amazing trades, guys, amazing trades, and I'm really happy for that. Yeah, and there was one more sale zone. Again, you could take a trades here. Who did it, send please use screenshots in the chat. So guys, and this is the main, if we will talk about the Bitcoin, it still will be in a range. Something like that. After that, the short squeeze, and after that going down like that. I'm waiting for something like that, and just be ready for that, guys. Just be ready, and everything will be fine. So guys, that about the markets. Let's see what we can trade here. Maybe now we will go to this side, because here on gold, to trade online we're choosing the low time frame. Yeah, and now it's start to some range here. Let's see what it will show us here. Yeah, and that's it. That's the main thing, guys. Now I will see what you writing me many things, guys. Sorry, I didn't see. Why I didn't see my chat here? Oh yeah, I will answer now, guys. I will answer now, because the war, I don't know really, to be honest, exactly, but Alex decided to not fly now in Dubai. If I want to keep seeing it later and keep the live. Yeah, I will keep the live, no worries. It will be saved and you can watch it on my YouTube channel, on my English YouTube channel, guys. I do content on the 2 languages, you know it, and both channels you can watch as you wish. Do you think the VAR help trades, guys? I think the VAR is assist to volatility on the market, and volatility always can be used for the do good trades and to do life change. In that case, yes. Basically, VAR is not good, but it have to happen. The market, for example, of the real estate in Dubai, it has to be corrected, the real estate market, and now we see that correction because of VAR. So we just got what have to be, and it's okay. But he can be more than 2 minutes the president. Yeah, he can be 2 times the president. I mean, anyway, there will be now I'll tell you guys. I'll explain you. I'll explain what I want to. Yeah, the elections. It's midterm elections, guys. It's midterm elections, and there will be decide who will be in like parliament, the Republic guys or the Democrats. And if Democrats will win, they will do impeachment for the Trump. That's why he can't accept it, and he need to do all these actions and all this game for keep his position, something like that. Yeah, thank you guys, for everybody who was here on my stream. I'm really happy to see you here, and happy to do the streams. We will do the streams now every week. So that was the most important information, guys. Everybody who want to watch later, you can watch later. Thank you for your attention, thank you for your time, and see you again soon.